Okay, so the very first thing for you to do, head over to your YouTube app and then you search for your channel name. For me, I'm going to be using Jeffrey Lifestyle for the purpose of this tutorial. But you can enter your channel name that you're actually using. Click on search. Yeah, so what I actually need from the channel is my link. So I'm going to click in here, click on share, click on copy link. Yeah, so that has been copied. So after that is done, we have to head over to Google. Remember I said using Google, right? So once you head over to Google, you search for Google Ads. I'm trying my best to be very quick and fast. Yeah, so once you click on this, choose this particular one saying Google Ads. Yeah, click on, okay, before click on start now, I have to choose my email because I have several emails, but I'm sorry guys, I have to blur that part out because I don't want to be revealing my email. Yeah, so I'm almost done. Okay. So I just chose my email link to my channel. So you guys should also choose your email link to your channel. So after that has been done, click on start now. So let's just give it time. So they're actually asking you, do you want to just put no thanks? Because we don't want to download, we just want to go straight to the point here. So yeah, they say tell us about your business. So you can enter your channel name, you understand, enter your, if it is YouTube you're doing, because it's not only YouTube, they actually help people promote here. So let me just leave it as Jeffrey Lifestyle, which is actually the name of my channel. And yeah, you can see I've already put in my URL. That link you copied, you come right here and paste it, you understand? Come right here on this particular, enter a page here, you put your channel URL, click on next. You guys can also still go ahead to read it very well. You know that I'm not really reading it too well because this is the video and I don't want this video to be too long. Yeah, you guys can go ahead. So let's just click on say, what's your main advertising goal? You want to get more calls, get more website sales. But for you guys watching me, I know it's for YouTube. So it's going to be get more views and engagement on YouTube. So the next thing you click on next. Yeah, I really hope it loads very fast. Okay, let's create your video ad. What do you want to focus on? Drive video views and traffic to your website. Drive video views and engagement with your channel. We're going to be clicking this second option. Select a video. Search for your video. So yeah, you actually click on it to enter your video title. Yeah, so like the video title you want to use. So let me just enter my channel name, for example. Or don't let me enter my channel name. Let me just enter... Okay, let me enter my channel name, Jeffrey Lifestyle. So it can bring out videos and then I just get to choose one. Okay, so these are videos from my channel, Jeffrey Lifestyle. You guys can see all of them. So whichever one, let's just assume that this particular first video is what I want to use for my promotion. So I'll just be clicking on it, for example. Yeah, but I'm naturally, because this video is so short. This is a short video. Yeah, it's just for tutorial purpose. So if you want to use it, make sure you use your best and engaging video and not so short as this. Okay, what do you want your ad, like how do you want your ad to appear? So yeah, you actually choose how you want to appear. You can scroll, you can check through. They have 4 different options for you. You can just check. Yeah, so you can just enter a headline. Yeah, you can enter a headline, a title. You can go ahead right here to change this particular title. This is the title I used for this particular shirt. You can go ahead and change the title if you want. Enter a description. You can talk about what your video is about in your description. Go ahead, maybe like for this one now, this one was just like a drinking gari and coconut blah 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 video. So you can just put description of whatever you are actually making your video about. So this is line 1, line 2. Preview your ads if you want to preview it and see what it looks like. Yeah, but let us not be doing all of that, so I will not waste time. Click on next. Oh, they actually want me to put in something. Let me just say it's with me. Then here I'm gonna enter Gary and sugar. Yeah, so this one is just an impromptu kind of choosing. So yeah, we'll click on next. Say next, choose the location and languages of your customer. So again, you have to choose. See, this particular part, I need you to take it serious. If you're making Nigerian videos, don't go and choose US. Like maybe you're making Yoruba movies, for example. Don't go and choose US because you might not really get that, attention. Look at your kind of videos. What does your kind of video attract? You understand? There are some people that the kind of video they make, like those that make motivational videos now. Motivational videos, to be honest, it does not really attract Nigerians because we all know the way we are here in Nigeria. We have very strong heart. Like maybe not everybody, but majority. So you see all those motivational quotes that everything, it does not really work for Nigerians. But you know, those in the US, it works for them. Like if you're doing motivational. So it depends on your niche. It depends on what you're doing that will help you select your country. Yeah, so let me just leave mine as Nigeria. Yeah, so let's just leave it as that. But you, depending on your niche, you can check. If it is Nigeria that is suits, leave it in Nigeria. If not, if it's like outside of country, maybe Canada, you can just, so let me just leave mine as Nigeria just to save us time. So you can see the language, English, you understand. You can add any other language of your choice. It's totally fine. So you can see estimated impression that they will actually give you, estimated views, 770 to 2.4K per week. You can see. So after all of that has been done, click on next. Select your gender, age, and parental status of your customer. So you can say, do you want female, male, unknown? Me, I don't want unknown, no. I want female and male, please. Which one is unknown? Then for the age, you can actually go ahead. You can choose all age range. You can parental status. You know, you can just choose, does your video, does it contain stuff that kids can watch? Yeah, if it's not for kids, please do what to signify, you understand? So, not a parent, unknown. So the next thing for you to click on next. Now, tell us if you want to reach people with specific interests. So, yeah, so that YouTube actually I say YouTube, so that Google Ads actually push your video out to the right audience. You know, some people will complain that, oh, if I run a YouTube, if I run promotion on my YouTube channel, and what if they send it to the wrong audience that are not interested in watching my videos? That's why they're asking you for the interest. So they will actually send this out to people looking for something related to that. So if you're doing football now, they can send it to those that have interest in football niche. You understand? If you're doing lifestyle, they'll send it to those that have interest in lifestyle. And they can know those that have interest in it by through their search terms, what they search for, through their history, you get. So let's just put food, for example, because, yeah, so interest, just choose food, cooking and baking ingredients. So you can go ahead. You know, I actually search for food. Okay, I don't want to be wasting our time. Let me just cook for one more foodies. Then click on done. You guys can take your time, relax, you know. I don't want this video to be too long. That's how I'm spending time. Then the next thing, you click on next. So we are almost done. Set a budget that's right for you. How much do you want to spend? So depending on how much you want to spend, that's how they will actually run it for you. How long will your ads run? Do you want it to run continuously? Select an end date. So yeah, you have to choose select an end date because obviously you don't want it to run continuously. It's just for a matter of time till you get your subscribers, right? Yeah, so maybe the subscribers you want. You can want 1,000 subscribers, 5,000 subscribers, depending on whatever you want. So yeah, you click on this date right here. So let's say I want to end it on, what's today's date? Today's date is what? Oh, today's date is 13th, right? Okay. So let's just say I want to end it on 30th. Okay, 30th of September. So here you can actually scroll down to see how it works. Pay only when someone chooses to watch your video ad by clicking the thumbnail. Some days you might spend less than an average of your daily budget, and on others you might spend more, but over a month you won't be charged more than 30.4 times your daily budget. Do you guys understand? Yeah, so if you want to know more about that, you click on that, learn more. Yeah, so let me just click on next. Review your campaign to be sure it's how you want it to be. So yeah, you're actually going to see, okay, you can say the title name just to be sure that, okay, the title, so you guys should use a better title, you know, like this one is just for tutorial purpose. Yeah, use a better video, not even a better video, use your best video. Sure, you see the headline, the description. You can see that description. I just use something. The location, the language, the demographic, the interest, daily budget. You understand? You go ahead and choose, and then you go to billing. Okay, guys, so for that billing part, I'm not going to be going ahead to pay. So once you enter the billing, you proceed to make your payment, and then you're all set for Google Ads promotion. See, there are two best ways to which you can actually run promotional ads on YouTube to be able to get genuine subscribers, like real subscribers, which is running it on YouTube itself or using Google Ads. These are like the two biggest, promotion you can ever use. The two biggest, YouTube and Google Ads. Yeah. So, all right, if you find this particular video helpful, if you be trying this method, let me know. And if maybe you're trying to do it and you have concerns, let me also know in the comment section. I will try my best. In as much as I always say, oh, I'm going to try my best to respond to comments, and then I miss some. I am sorry if I've ever missed your comment. It is not intentionally, because sometimes I overlook it, right? Yeah, but I will try my best to be very careful to reply to every comment I get on this particular video. Yeah, and please do what to hit on the subscribe button in case you just find my channel for the first time. And if you're an OG, thank you for always coming back to my channel. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are the best. You guys are the, thank you so much. Let me end the screen record. You guys are the best. See you again in our next video. It's your baby girl, Jaffe Lifestyle. Yeah, see you again in our next video. Bye, guys.